Hello guys, how are you? I'm doing great. The channel has just passed 1,000 subscribers and I want to tell you big thanks. Someone may say that 1,000 subscribers mean nothing, but it means a lot for me. It means 1,000 people who wants to see new content from me. 1,000 people who wants to learn something from me, and that's also a big responsibility. And I want you to know, guys, that I feel responsibility and I appreciate it. Thank you all who has ever watched, liked, commented or shared my videos. Thank you even if you disliked or provided negative comment. That's also necessary to improve my content and in general to improve the content on YouTube. And even bigger thanks who subscribe to my channel. Now let me tell you a few words about channel plans. Right now I'm in the middle to create E2 PHP framework course from beginners till advanced, and I'm going to finish this. I have recorded I think 13 videos which cover some basic stuff. But every next video basically will be more interesting for intermediate and advanced developers. So if you are interested in this technology, definitely hit the subscribe and the bell button. And I'm going to also build real projects with this E2 framework, not only explain some theoretical part. But besides PHP and E2 framework, I'm also going to cover JavaScript. JavaScript actually is the very first technology I started my programming career. I had previously experience working on Java, C++ and C#, but that was back in university writing some algorithms, solving some problems. It was nothing connected to real projects. JavaScript was the very first language I started internship and very first language I wrote code in a real project. I think I know JavaScript the best, and I think I have a lot of things to share from my past 8+ years of experience on JavaScript. More specifically, I'm going to cover JavaScript, vanilla JavaScript, Vue.js, Node.js. This is at least what I have in my closest future plans. But besides these technologies, I'm also going to cover how to build desktop applications using JavaScript, how to build mobile applications, how to build REST APIs, and so on. So if you're interested in these technologies and you are not yet subscribed to my channel, definitely hit the subscribe and the bell button. Thank you all who have subscribed once again, and see you guys in the next time.